What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Country here today with a Centurion's full body Draco chambered in 7.62 by 39. We're gonna do a mag dump. See how she do.